Good evening to everybody. Today I'm talking about demonstration on Eclipse in software construction and maintenance. Eclipse is a popular and versatile integrated development environment used by the software developers and various programming languages and platforms. It provides a comprehensive set of tools and features to streamline in the software development process, and it make easier to write, debug and manage code. Eclipse is an open source IDE, which means it is freely available and can be extended throughout a vast ecosystem of plugging and extension to support different programming languages and technologies. And this Eclipse is a very user friendly and very easy to use. It has a futures. It has a futures of like rich development environment. Eclipse provides a rich development environment and user-friendly development environment, which is a future like code editors and syntax highlighting, code implementation and code navigation, extendability. One of the Eclipse strength is to extensive plugin ecosystem. Developers can add plugins to support different languages and frameworks and having different types of tools, making it suitable for a wide range of projects. It and other feature is integrated debugger. Eclipse includes a powerful debugger that allows the developers to step through the code, set breakpoints, inspect variables, troubleshooting if issues efficiently, and many other. Version control. It offers integration with popular versions control system like Git and SVN, enabling team collaboration and code versioning, build and develop. Eclipse support various build systems and development options, make it easier to compile and deploy applications. User interface designer for GUI based application and other. Eclipse provides tools like window builder and other interfaces, designing using interfaces. Project management. Eclipse allows developers to organize projects, manage dependencies, and handling project configurations effectively. Coming to the benefits, Eclipse offers several benefits for developers, making it a popular choice for software development across various programming languages and platforms. And here are some key advantages of Eclipse. It has open source and free environment distributed under the Eclipse public license, which means it has freely available for everyone to use. This makes the cost-effective choices for individual developers, startups, and organizations. Cross-platform support. Eclipse is designed to run on multiple operating systems, including Windows, Mac OS, and various distributions. The cross-platform compatibility allows developers to work in their preferred environment. Extensibility. Eclipse plugin architecture is one of the standard features. Developers can customize their IDE by adding plugins and extensions to support different programming language. This extendability makes Eclipse highly adaptable to various development needs. Rich development tools. Eclipse provide a common set of development tools, including code editors with syntax highlighting, code competition, and code formatting. It also offers integrated dubbing, version control, integration, and project management features. Powerful debugger. Eclipse having inbuilt debugger, it's is robust and future rich, allowing developers to step through code, set breakpoints, inspect variables, and diagnose and fix issues efficiently. Custom builders. Eclipse allows you to define custom builders to perform specific tasks during and building projects. You can configure builders to automate tasks like code generation, data validation, or resource complication. Key buildings. Eclipse allows you to customize the key buildings for various commands and actions. You can modify existing key bindings or create new one to match your workflow and preferences. Startup and shutdown preferences. You can specify which perspective views and files should be opened or closed when Eclipse starts or shuts down, ensuring a customized initial workspace setup. And Eclipse have a customizations like plugin and extensions. In plugin extensions, Eclipse plugin system is one of the most powerful features. You can customize Eclipse by installing plugins and extensions that add functionality for different programming languages, frameworks, and tools. You can find install plugins through the Eclipse marketplace or manually and adding to their Eclipse installation, themes and styles. Eclipse allows you to change the look and feel the IDE through themes and styles. You can install custom themes or create your own to change the color schemes, fonts, and icons to match your preferences. Popular themes like darkest dark theme and dev style theme offer visual styles for Eclipse perspectives. Eclipse uses a perspective to arrange and configure the layout of views, editors, toolbars to suit specific tasks and workflows. You can create a custom perspective or modify existing ones to organize the IDE as you see fit. For example, um, you can create a perspective for Java development, another for debugging, and yet another for database administration. It has having some disadvantages like resource initiative. Eclipse can resource initiative, especially when it working on a large projects. It may consume a specific amount of memory and CPU, and it slowly leads to a slower performance and less powerful hardware. Steep learning curve. Eclipse has a steep learning curve, particularly for beginners. Extends. It has an extensive feature set and configuration option can be overwhelming for new users, and it may take so much time to become proficient. Complex setup. Setting up an Elix for a specific development environment or project can be complex, and it has more steps to set up the environment, especially when dealing with multiple plugins and configurations. In configuring the build parts and compilers, the project setting can be challenged for newcomers and many other stakeholders. Plugin compatibility. While Eclipse plugin system is a strength, it can also lead to compatibility issues not to be maintained and causing instability or conflicts with all the IDEs. Thank you.